severe thunderstorm was located near the lawn, extending back west toward Schneider, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lamont, Hebron, Wheatfield, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Rose Lawn, Counts, Dunn's Bridge, Boone Grove, Malden, and Stoutsburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. The National